remember that trip? That was so much fun. Seeing Ryan, Colleen, Landon, and Tanner, and all of them.
Yes.
We should totally do that again. Let's
Why
do
not?
it. Let's do it right now.
Okay.
Alright, we see Ryan, but he doesn't see us, so we're gonna sneak up on him. It's kind of hard. And Landon's with him, it looks like. They have no idea we're right behind him. Hi!
Good, how are you?
What are you doing, buddy?
Turn around, don't be shy.
Hi, buddy.
Look how tight that parking spot is. It's gonna be tough to get out. Who's knocking on the window?
I hear someone in there.
Oh, maybe we'll just leave that kid in there.
Bye.
He's still being shy.
Hey guys. Hey. Good to see you. Thank you.
Hey, buddy. Hi.
Give high five.
You high five? Yeah. Oh, you want? Oh, is that a fist bump? All right. Say hi. 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 So it's the next morning here on our trip. We have Landon and Tanner here, and they wanted to say hi to everybody. And now they're being shy.
All right, I'll see you there. All right, bye.
Good morning, guys. It's day 2, I guess, here in Warsaw.
What's going on?
Hey, so ooh, that's bright. Look at that sun. We haven't seen the sun in so long. I forget what that looks like.
Dust these off.
Yeah, I actually brought mine, but of course they're sitting at the house. You know, they're safe and sound. We're on our way to get some lunch right now. The place will look familiar to you. We went there the last trip we were here.
Yeah, we did.
It's gonna be a good time. We get some good food.
Yeah.
The girls are behind us, following us, and with the kids, and that's what we're doing. We're gonna go get some food, and really excited. Tonight is date night. We're gonna go out and check out the town. It'll be fun. Maybe I'll let you see a little bit of that. We'll see what happens.
We're good.
Anyways, guys, catch you later. Alright, after 40 minutes of driving around, we finally found a spot. It's kind of crazy down here today. I guess everybody in Poland is downtown.
Must be the Christmas time.
Must
Craziness.
be. Yeah.
I
But
don't know.
I'm glad we found a spot because we're really hungry and we're going to get some food.
Yeah.
Let's do it. right, now that we've eaten a little bit of lunch, late lunch, it got dark on us, and we're gonna get some coffee. Hey, we're out at date night. We came to, was this Prime Cut?
Yeah.
Getting some dinner. Ryan's acting like he's not paying attention. Cheers! Oh, what is this?
Get the dopest watch pics, man.
Get the watch pic. Wow, what a dream. Check out that dinner. That's a filet mignon. We got a whole table full of filet mignon.
That's how we do it. Lay it all around.
All right, we're done with dinner and we came downtown to the Christmas market. It's about to close, but we're just kind of running through it quick. We're gonna come back again later. But it's pretty cool. That's a big Christmas tree right there. Here it goes. Hi, buddy. Oh, it's so cute. Everybody's getting their picture. All right, so we made it down to Market Square. It's so pretty down here. All the lights draping all over us. We got the ice skating rink and all the little shops. I think we're trying to go get some mulled wine right now before they close. I think they were supposed to close at 9, but they're still open, so we just kind of stopped in our tracks and started taking pictures. Look at this.
No, it's called schmoke. And it's literally bacon grease, and then bits of bacon in it, and then pickles on top. So it's basically just lard. It's just straight up lard.
Like a snack, yeah.
All right, we got our mulled wine. It's very similar to mulled wine, or what do we call it back in? Glühwein. Yeah, it's very similar to Glühwein. There's so many different names for it, but you got to do it while you're at the Christmas market. Really good. Cheers.
Cheers.
That's a real owl. Just sitting here.
jest taki rodzaj. Tutaj są Strix.
Whose is this?
Oralises. Strix Oralises.
Strix.
Kochana.
Ale ona już nie chce cię po prostu. Puściła głowę.
Ale jesteś boska.
All right, we made our way to Dom Whiskey. This place literally has everything you can imagine. I mean, they've got the, what is it, 25-year-old Pappy Van Winkle here if you want it. It's 1,000 Swati a shot, though. We got the poor man's version. This is Weller's. Cheers, buddy.
Cheers, man.
Word.
Let's throw you.
Yeah! What he said.
Cheers.
Well, that's the end of our date night. It was so much fun. We're gonna go pop in a movie. It's like 1 in the morning.
Party
Plenty of time.
Watch a movie.
Yeah. What's the longest movie you own? That's what
Titanic.
Chitty chitty bang bang.
Let's watch both.
Both.
We're gonna go to-
Titanic, Chitty Chitty.
Yeah.
Back to back from the future.
Not really. Good night, guys.
See ya.